This is a Ray-Ban Clubmaster Classic Sunglass, and it's been in use for about 2 or 3 years, and one of the screws that hold the glass in place is lost, and also a nose pad is broken. So I got this kit from Amazon, Mingbai, and it comes with screws, and the screw on the left, let's take a closer look. Screw on the left is the original. Come into focus. And then the one on the right is the one I got from this kit. And I also have a nose bridge which has pins like this that you need to compress it over that on here. I think before I do that, I have to take this old one out. That's actually clipped onto the side. It's kind of hard to see. Let me see closer. Come on, get in focus. There we go. You can see that is the 2 prongs on either side. I have to pry them out, get the thing out. I'm going to use a pick that I use for my cars, and then try to put it in place, put this in place, and put it back together. Let's try the flathead screwdriver. Came with the kit. See if I can go underneath and pull it up. I think I need a magnifying glass. Looks like I can't see it clearly. Maybe take this glass off too. Rotate it. So, you get the point. Get these prongs off, lift them off on the right and left, and then that should fall off. And the next step is to, oops, dropped it again. There we go. I'll show you. I think it goes on like this around it, and then you kind of use a needle nose plier to kind of squish them one at a time towards each other. I don't know if it's visible, but I got the pad almost out. You see if you can pop it off camera. Right there. There. It's almost off. There we go. It's clinging a little bit more. One side is gone and off. The other side is still has some grip on that nose pad holder. Yep, I don't know if you heard it. It just fell down. So now we have to get the new one in, align it, and push it in. Yeah. There we go. This is how it goes, and then I have to compress it. There we go, like so. And then compress from the top is a needle nose plier. Just push it in. Here's the new nose pad is in. Take a closer look. You can see I have compressed it with the needle nose plier. And then I also have the screws on for the glasses. This is as good as new.